Changing families. All families change in one way or the other because of different reasons. Ask your grandmother or grandfather about the number of members they had in their family when they were your age. Then draw a family tree of their family in your notebook when they were young. Can you see yourself, your brother, your sister, your mother or your father anywhere in this family tree? Now draw a family tree of your present family in your notebook. Do you find any difference between these family trees? Reasons for changes in families. There are many reasons for changes in families. Let us discuss some of them. Migration. Movement of people from one place to another is known as migration. There are many reasons for migration. Many people move from one place to another due to transferable jobs. People from villages move to cities in search of better job opportunities. They sometimes leave their families and set up new families in cities. People in defense forces often move from place to place with their families throughout their life. Sometimes people move out of their native country to live in another country. These people are called emigrants. In the new country, they are called immigrants. Displacement. Sometimes people are forced to leave their native place and live at some different place. This is known as displacement. Such a situation arises when a dam is built across a river or some slum is cleared for construction of a residential colony or hotel. This act is called slum demolition. The people to be displaced are provided with some help from the government. The government provides places to rebuild their shelters. Natural disasters. Natural disasters like earthquakes or floods make many people homeless. Such people move to new places to find shelters. After the tsunami in the Indian Ocean in 2004, a large number of people lost their homes and shifted to different places. Changing family structure. There is a drastic change in the structure of a family and the quality of life. It is because of the socio-economic factors. Big families are rare nowadays, but in earlier times, people used to live in joint families. When some members of a big family move to another place, it becomes smaller. A nuclear family usually has 4 to 5 members. The lifestyle of people in a nuclear family and a joint family is different. They both have advantages and disadvantages. In a joint family, each member has to share everything with more people. In a nuclear family, people have to share everything with a less number of people. On the other hand, a child growing up in a joint family can enjoy the company of his or her cousins, uncles, aunts, and grandparents. A joint family is considered better than a nuclear family. Do you know why? Impacts of migration. When people migrate from one place to another, they have to face many problems. When people leave their homes, they face many climatic, social, economic, and cultural changes in a new place. They often find it difficult to adjust to these changes. Children of migrants have to change their school, resulting in adjustment problems. When the younger generation migrates, older generation of the house is left alone. The members of younger generation are deprived of love and care of their elders. When young and talented people of a country migrate to other country in search of better opportunities, this migration is called brain drain. Migration has positive effects also. It increases the job and educational opportunities. It improves the lifestyle. It results in cultural integration and cooperation between the people of different places. Family values. In our family, we learn many things from each other. Our family is our first school, which teaches us the value of sharing and caring, to help people in need, to respect our elders, to be honest and fair with everyone, to support our family and friends. With changing times, many customs and traditions have changed. Earlier, women were only seen as homemakers. But today, women are managing work outside the home too. Men take an active part in various household activities, so that women do not have to do all the work at home. Children also help their parents with various household jobs. Look at the following women who have excelled in the world of men. Discussions with family members. You should talk to your parents, uncle or grandparents to know about your ancestors as well as the members of the family who are alive. You can discuss with them at dining table or at any other spare time. You can discuss important incidents in the form of stories. These stories may include memorable talks about people, places, and events related to the members of your immediate family. You can talk to your parents or grandparents to know more and more about your family history. Family tree. The family tree is an important method to know about our immediate family and our ancestors. You can also keep record of your family members in the form of a tree as shown below. Look at the family tree of Mohan. Points to remember. All families change in some way or the other. The movement of people from one place to another place is known as migration. Immigrants are people who leave their native country to settle in another country. Immigrants are the people who arrive to live in a new country. Migration has positive and negative impacts. There are advantages and disadvantages of nuclear and joint families. A family tree is a diagram that shows the relationship between different members of